Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use two controllers to control one game. So maybe you have like a little kid or something like that, or you just have someone else that's playing with you, and you want to go ahead and just play the same game at the same time, and you don't have to switch back and forth the controller if you only have one controller. So this is called Copilot, and we can go to settings right here, and we can go on down to devices and connections and go to controllers and headsets. So I have two controllers. I have my Xbox wireless controller. It looks like my Elite controller actually turned off. So I can go ahead and turn on my second controller right now. And then it's connected over here on the right. You can see it. So I can go on down to the three little dots, more options, and I can go to turn on Copilot. So this will probably explain a little bit better than I did, but Copilot links multiple controllers so that you and another gamer can use them as if they were one single controller. Copilot is only available when two or more controllers are turned on. So we can go to Copilot and turn this on right now. My controller is connected to Copilot. So I can use my Elite controller or my normal controller as if it was one controller. So I'm moving them back and forth. I'm using the D-pad on one and I'm using the thumbsticks on the other. So I can go to more options under here. And I have the option to turn off Copilot too. Otherwise, I can just turn off the controller and then turn it back on or whatever. But you can turn off Copilot right here. Hopefully, this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.